Welcome back, students. So now let us move on to an exercise problem. Prepare a trial balance with the following information. So they have listed out the name of the account with the amount. So we are going to now prepare a trial balance. So purchase has a debit balance. Bank loan, it is a liability. So bank loan has a credit balance. Debtors is an asset, debit. Stock is an asset, debit. Sales, credit. Creditors, it's a liability, so credit. Cash is an asset, debit. Capital, credit. Now let us prepare the trial balance. So trial balance as on, they didn't give any date. So we will just leave the date blank. So first item, purchase 1 lakh. So purchase has a debit balance. So 1 lakh on the debit side. Then bank loan. Second item is bank loan. So bank loan 75,000. Bank loan being a liability, so it comes on the credit side, 75,000. Third item, debtors. It is an asset. Debtors is an asset, so 1,50,000 on the debit side. Fourth item, stock. Stock is a debit. It is an asset. So on the debit side, 35,000. 35,000. Fifth item, sales. Sales has a credit balance, 1,50,000. Sixth item, creditors. Creditors, liability, so on the credit side 50,000. Next item, cash. Cash is an asset, so debit 90,000. Then capital, credit 1 lakh. Now we are going to do the totals. So 1 lakh 50, 1 lakh plus 50, 1 lakh 50, 1 lakh 50 and 1 lakh 50, 3 lakhs, 3 lakhs plus 75,000, 3 lakh 75,000. So 90,000 plus 35,000, 1 lakh 25,000. So 1 lakh 25,000 plus 1 lakh 50,000, it is 2 lakh 75,000. 2 lakh 75,000 plus 1 lakh, 3 lakh 75,000. So are we getting 3 lakh 75,000 on both the sides, debit column as well as credit column? Yes. So both sides are equal. So our trial balance is tallied now. So this is how we will be preparing trial balance. So exercise problem 1 got over. So now we are going to do the last problem of the exercise. Problem number 8. So correct the following trial balance. So they have already prepared a trial balance, and this trial balance has certain mistakes, errors in it. Now we are going to correct and reframe a new trial balance. Shall we do it now? Okay. So opening stock has a debit balance. They have given it correctly. Salaries, debit. Creditors, this 1,32,000 must go to the credit side. They have given it as debit. It's wrong. 1,32,000 must go to the credit side. Then bank, debit. Carriage inwards, debit. Rent received. So this rent received has to go to the other column. So rent received is 9,000. This 9,000 must go to the credit side. Then discount allowed debit, purchase debit, bills payable wrongly given in the debit side. It has to go to the credit side. Then debtors. Debtors has to come in the debit side, but they have wrongly given it as credit. So this 45,000 must come in debit column. Capital. Similarly, carriage outwards is an expense. It has to be on the debit column. They have wrongly given it as credit. So this 15,000 must come on the debit side. Capital, correct. 1,63,000 on the credit side only. Return inwards. Return inwards is nothing but our sales return. Sales return must come on the debit side. 9,000 must come on the debit side. Then discount received 12,000, correct, on the credit. Then trade expenses 18,000 must come on the debit side. They have wrongly given it as credit. Then sales 3,68,000, correct. Building is an asset. It has to come on the debit side. They have wrongly given it as credit. So this 1,14,000 must come on the debit side. So if you rearrange this properly, then you will be getting 7,44,000 on both the sides. So I will just give a close view. So I have just marked the arrows, right, next to the amount. So if it points towards the credit side, then it has to go to the credit column. If it points towards the debit side, those items must come to the debit column. Just have a close view. So if you reframe it again, you will get your trial balance correctly. And you can try the remaining problems. And let us now focus on the 7th exercise problem. I will do that on the board now. So 7th exercise problem number 7. From the following balances, prepare trial balance of Bhaskar as on 31st of March 2017. Transfer the difference, if any, to suspense account. So what is a suspense account? Suspense account, so just the word suspense means something puzzling. You don't know what it is, right? So you call that as a suspense account. It is just a temporary solution when your trial balance is not getting tallied. If the debit column and the credit column of your trial balance is not equal, if there is any difference between the debit and the credit column, then the difference will be transferred to an account called a suspense account as a temporary solution. And later on, we will again recheck our trial balance, whether we have missed out any numbers or anything which has to come on the debit side which has been put up on the credit, and vice versa. We'll check all those things, and then in case of any doubt, we will move on to the ledger, and then we will just look on to the journal and even the source documents like the invoice, the vouchers if required, right? So this transfer into the suspense account is just a temporary solution to tally the trial balance. Any such difference in any of those columns, either debit or credit, one side will be more, the other side will be less. So the difference will be put up to an account called as suspense account. So in this problem, we are going to transfer such difference into suspense. So whichever side is less, you will put the difference amount on that side and write suspense account and make both sides equal. That is what we are going to do right now. Just look on to the question now. Opening stock. So opening stock is an asset, so it has to come on the debit side. Capital, credit. Sales, credit. Salaries, it is an expense, so debit. Bills payable, it is a liability, credit. Telephone charges, expense, debit. Creditors, credit. Purchase, debit. Debtors, debit. Carriage inwards, debit. Bills receivable, debit. Commission received, credit. Cash, debit. Furniture is an asset, debit. Plant and machinery is an asset, debit. Repairs, it is an expense, debit. So shall we do the problem now? Okay. So this is how we prepare the trial balance. So this difference of 5,000 will be transferred to the suspense account. So try to work out the remaining problems on your own by following those simple rule